Okay, hi everyone. In today's session, we are going to discuss about method of analysis of complexes in complexation chapter. In physical pharmacy, method of analysis of complexes in complexation. In this, the method of analysis of complexes depends on two parameters. Those are, first one is stoichiometric ratio of ligand to metal or donor to acceptor. And second one is stability constant of complex. Okay, in this analysis of complexes depends on two parameters. The first one is stoichiometric ratio of a ligand to a metal or donor to a acceptor. And second one is stability constant of a complex. Okay, let us take an equation M plus Na is equal to MAN and apply stability constant. Therefore, the stability constant K is equal to the concentration of these are the products and reactants. Concentration of reactants MAN concentration divided by concentration of reactants concentration of M into concentration of A to the power N. Okay, in this equation, the K is an equilibrium stability constant. M, concentration of M is concentration of metal ion uncomplexed. A is a concentration of ligand uncomplexed. And to the power N is a number of moles of ligand combined with 1 mole of metal ion. Okay, N is a number of moles of ligand combined with 1 mole of metal ion. Okay, and this concentration of M, A and N is a concentration of a complex. Okay, this is by applying stability constant. K is the equilibrium stability constant is equal to concentration of complex, that is a metal and a ligand, and N divided by concentration of a metal and concentration of a ligand. You take log for the above equation and it will become log concentration of a complex is equal to log K stability constant plus log of concentration of metal ion plus N log concentration of a ligand. Okay, if the concentration of metal ion is constant and concentration of ligand is varied, if concentration of metal ion is constant and concentration of a ligand A is varied. Okay, if the concentration of metal ion M is constant and the ligand concentration is varied. And if you plot a graph, that is concentration of a complex is plotted against log of a ligand concentration A, the slope of the line yields the slope of this, when we plot a graph between log of a complex against log of a ligand, okay, the slope of the line yields stoichiometric ratio. The slope of the line yields the stoichiometric ratio, and intercept on vertical axis. Intercept on vertical axis yields stability constant. If concentration of metal ion is of known quantity. Okay, this stoichiometric method of analysis of complex depends upon two parameters, stoichiometric ratio and the stability constant. When we plot a graph between the complex, that is log of MAN is plotted against log of a concentration of a ligand, the slope of that line yields the stoichiometric ratio. And intercept on vertical axis is the stability constant. Okay, these two parameters are obtained when we plot a graph between this complex versus a ligand. And if the metal ion complex is known, concentration of metal ion is of a known quantity, and by that we can plot a graph between a complex versus a ligand, and the slope yields the stoichiometric ratio, and intercept on vertical axis yields the stability constant. By that we can obtain the two parameters of complexes can be obtained. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for further updates.